Hello and welcome to Financeable. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can use the Wise app on your Android device. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, what you need to do is go to the Play Store and search for Wise app and install the Wise app. After you install it, you can see this type of interface. Go ahead and click on Get Started. After you click Get Started, you can see there are three options: login, register, and sign in with Google. If you already have your account like me, you can just go ahead and click on login. But if you don't have your account, don't you worry, because you can register using the Google account or your Facebook account as well. So if you have registered using your Facebook or Apple ID, you can just go ahead and click on Facebook or Apple ID and register from here. Or else you can see sign in with Google. Just go ahead and click on sign in with Google and select your Google account. After you select your Google account, you will see this type of info. There are two accounts, personal and business. Click on the type of account which you want to send, then select your country and click next. After that, what you need to do is write down your phone number over here. As I have already used my phone number in my another Wise account, I cannot add another duplicate number. So I'm gonna show you how you can sign in. As this process is quite easy for sign up, you can just go ahead and click on sign into Google, select your Google account, choose your account, write down your number, and finally sign up. So this is after you have signed up. Now what you need to do is sign into your account. Go ahead and write down your email address, the password to your account. Check your password by clicking on this icon once and click login. As you can see, my number will appear over here and a 6-digit code will automatically be received after it came to my phone. After that, you can see check your mail is being written. Go ahead and click on open mail to approve and go ahead and open the mail with which you registered your Wise account. So go ahead and select your account, which is over here, and you can see approve new device. Go ahead and tap on it, wait for a while, and then the process will be finished. So you can see that this is an old mail. So just go ahead and reload the page and select this mail over here and click on approve device. After you do so, you can see that your device has been approved. Now you can go back to your account, wait for a while, and then you will be signing to your account. This process is happening because I have set two-factor authentication on my phone, on my Wise account. So you can do that too. I'm just gonna show it to you later. So right now it is asking me if I want to set up my biometrics. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on set up biometrics and put in my fingerprint. After I do so, you can see the biometrics are on. Go ahead and click on got it. And this is the interface of Wise. Now you can see your profile over here. First of all, let's go ahead and talk about our profile before going into the functionality of this app. Go ahead and tap on profile, which is over here, and you can see that you can easily change your photo. So if you want to change your photo, just go ahead and tap on this camera icon and you can take a photo, choose from library, or else you can also delete a photo. So if you want to choose any photos from the library, just go ahead and select this and you can select any of these photos. So after you select the photos, you can just go ahead and click on use photo, wait for a while, and your profile picture will be changed. Now, if you want to change or switch into a business account, you can do that as well. Just go ahead and click on get a business account, which is over here. Scrolling a bit down, you will find personal details. If you want to change your personal details, you can do that as well. Go ahead and click on personal details and you can change some of the details like your country of residence, your full name, your last name, your date of birth, and you can also change your phone number. You can see change primary phone is written over here. What you need to do is write down a new phone number over here, click send code, and a code will be sent to the new number which you added and your previous number will be deleted. So this is how you can change your phone number. If you scroll down, you can also see that there is the access for you to change your address. So you can do this and click save and your profile will be changed. So talking about settings, you will find all of the settings on the Wise app over here on the settings. Some of the settings under general are privacy and security, notifications, exchange rate alerts, appearance, close your account, and under more there are rate us and our story. If you want to change the security, you can go in here in privacy and security, and as I told you, you can enable or disable the two-factor authentication. So in case you want to change your password or your email address, you need to go to your profile, which is here on the left hand side, and click on personal details. So if you don't find it here, you can scroll a bit down and find settings. Click on settings and go to privacy and security, and you can see the security option here, which includes app security, changing of your email, changing phone number, enabling two-step verification, logging out of everywhere, and syncing your contacts. So if you want to either change your email or password, you should just come here and do it. If you want to turn on or off the two-factor authentication or change it as well, you can do that as well. So some of the message types or some of the verification types are text message, your Wise app, and your authenticator app. You can change the type of two-step verification according to your wish. So this was about privacy and security. If you want the notifications to come on your phone, just go ahead and tap on notifications, click on go to settings and enable the Wise notifications. This way you will get all type of notifications from Wise, and you can individually turn on or off the notifications according to your wish. If you scroll a bit down, you can see exchange rate alerts. If you want any type of exchange rate alerts for the currency, you can select it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on this option, and you can see that I will now receive this option of it. So you can see I have currently enabled the USD to Euro, and I will get the notification of it. Now if you want to create another exchange rate alert, go ahead and click on alert over here, click on the source currency and choose it, and click on the target currency. After you do so, you should either click on daily updates or threshold updates, and then you can click continue, and you will be receiving notifications of it as well. So guys, this is how you can enable the exchange rate alerts. And for the appearance, you can see there are three types of appearance: light, dark, and same as device. Go ahead and choose one according to your wish, and it will be changed immediately. If you want to close your account in case, you can just go ahead and find it here right under settings. There is a close account section. You can close your account if you want. Now let's go ahead and talk about the functionality of Wise. You can now send money and you will get the active exchange rates. So you can see the send money option over here and the exchange rates over here as well. So if you want to change the exchange rates or edit currencies, you can tap on edit, which is over here, and click on this pen button. Now this is the source currency and this is the target currency. Choose your source currency first of all, and choose your target currency in which country you are going to send your money to. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select it and click confirm and click done. Now you can see that this will automatically tell you the currency over here. So the exchange rate is given over here, and it will include some taxes as well. So this is how you can exchange the rates and send money. So if you want to send money to your friends and family members, you can see the send money option, which is over here. Just go ahead and tap on it, and you can see on the right hand side there is the currency. This is the source currency. Just go ahead and select your source currency, and let's suppose you are sending the money to Canada. So select the Canadian dollar over here. So after you select your currency, you can see how much the recipient gets and how much tax will be cut from your money. So you can see the currency over here as well, the increase and decrease in currency and all of it. So after this, you can just go ahead and click on continue, connect to your bank account, or just go ahead and enable your contacts. So you can search for this. Go ahead and select the contact of your choice, click on enter bank details, and you can see who's your recipient. Just go ahead and select which one of it is. So there are 3 options: myself, someone else, business, or charity. If you're sending it to someone else, just go ahead and click on someone else. Now write down their email address, their full name of account holder, institution number, transit number, account number, and select their account type. Scroll a bit down and you can find the recipient address like the country, city, and postcode. Go ahead and click on confirm and you can easily send money to your friends wherever they are. So this is how you can send money. If you want to add your card details, you can do that as well, and you can get cards. Some country might disable the cards. As you can see, these cards are not available in my location. You can join the wait list and then you might get your card. So you can see the recipients over here as well. You can invite the recipients from here, or else you can add them as well. So it's quite easy and efficient to send money using Wise. I hope this video about how you can use Wise on your Android device was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.